How septic tank layers influence solid breakdown efficiency. A septic tank works by separating waste into layers that determine how well solids break down. Understanding these septic tank layers is key to keeping the system efficient and avoiding costly problems. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. 1. The scum layer. This top layer contains grease, oils, and floating debris. It creates a cover that keeps the system anaerobic, allowing bacteria to thrive and start decomposition. 2. The effluent layer. The middle zone holds liquid wastewater. Here, bacteria stay active, breaking down organic material. This layer also carries treated water out to the drain field, so its balance is vital. 3. The sludge layer. At the bottom, heavy solids settle into sludge. Anaerobic bacteria slowly digest these materials, but if sludge builds up too much, it reduces space and efficiency, risking overflow. 4. Microbial action. Different bacteria live in each layer, working together to break down waste. Without this microbial balance, solids accumulate and odors increase. 5. Effect on system health. When layers get too thick, solids may flow into the drain field, causing clogs and shortening the system's lifespan. Regular monitoring ensures layers stay balanced. 6. Thickness matters. Too much scum blocks gases from escaping. Too much sludge shrinks the liquid zone. Both problems slow down solid breakdown and reduce efficiency. 7. Preventive care. Routine pumping and mindful waste disposal keep septic tank layers in check, allowing the system to work smoothly and last longer. Septic tank layers are not just waste separation, they are the foundation of solid breakdown efficiency. By understanding and maintaining these layers, homeowners can ensure a healthy, long-lasting system. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.